Want to enhance your road safety and capture every moment while driving? A dash cam is a must-have for recording accidents, road trips, and unexpected events on the road. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best dash cams, covering video quality, night vision, features, and reliability. Whether you need one for security or daily driving, we've got the perfect picks for you. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 5. Useebee Dash Cam. Capturing every moment on the road with clarity and precision, this advanced dual-lens dash cam is designed to enhance safety and security for drivers. With a full HD 1080p resolution, it delivers crystal-clear recordings of both the road ahead and the vehicle's interior, ensuring comprehensive coverage in any driving scenario. Whether it's daily commutes, long road trips, or rideshare driving, this compact yet powerful device provides reliable footage that can serve as valuable evidence in case of incidents. Equipped with seamless loop recording, the dash cam automatically overwrites old footage when the memory card reaches full capacity, ensuring uninterrupted recording without the need for manual management. With support for TF cards up to 256 GB, users can store extensive video data without frequent card replacements. To maintain optimal performance, it's essential to format the memory card directly within the device, preventing compatibility issues that may arise from formatting on a computer. User convenience is at the core of its design, featuring automatic power on and off functionality. The dash cam starts recording the moment the vehicle is ignited and powers down when the engine is turned off, eliminating the need for manual operation. This hands-free approach ensures that every journey is documented without fail. Additionally, built-in time synchronization keeps timestamps accurate, which is crucial for reviewing footage and verifying events. Connectivity and accessibility are seamless with USB support, making file transfers and charging straightforward. Its built-in stereo enhances in-car audio recording, capturing conversations and ambient sounds with clarity. Whether operating at 50 Hz or 60 Hz, the device adapts to various power settings, ensuring stable performance across different regions. Beyond its technical capabilities, this dash cam offers peace of mind. Whether monitoring in-cabin activity for rideshare drivers, recording road conditions for insurance claims, or simply enhancing vehicle security, it stands as a reliable and indispensable tool. Compact yet powerful, it is an essential addition to any vehicle, delivering high-quality video recording, effortless functionality, and dependable performance on every drive. Number 4. Ddpai Z40 Dash Cam. Experience next-level road safety and recording clarity with a high-performance dash cam that redefines vehicle surveillance. Engineered with a powerful Sony IMX335 sensor, it captures every moment in stunning 2592 by 1944p resolution, ensuring unparalleled detail and sharpness. Whether navigating through bright daylight or dimly lit roads, its advanced image processing minimizes overexposure and enhances low-light performance, delivering crystal-clear footage in any condition. Every frame is rich with detail, making it easier than ever to capture crucial moments on the road. Taking imaging technology a step further, this device integrates exclusive RealCube hyper-realistic color processing, developed to bring out vibrant, true-to-life visuals. Custom algorithm models ensure superior pixel arrangement, higher brightness, and exceptional color accuracy, making every recording an accurate representation of real-world conditions. From crisp road signs to the smallest license plate details, nothing goes unnoticed. Versatility is a key feature, as the dual-camera system provides complete coverage of the front and rear views simultaneously. The primary front-facing camera records in ultra-clear 1944p, 1600p, or 1080p resolutions, while the 1080p rear camera offers full 360-degree rotation for maximum flexibility. Whether mounted at the front to capture in-car moments or placed at the back to monitor traffic behind, its adaptable design meets diverse recording needs. Rideshare drivers, daily commuters, and road trip enthusiasts alike can enjoy peace of mind with comprehensive video documentation. Reliability is further ensured with advanced eSave storage technology, preventing crucial footage loss even in the event of a microSD card failure. Emergency moments are recorded and preserved without interruption, so users can confidently rely on secure backups when they matter most. Unlike traditional lithium battery-powered dash cams, this model is equipped with a supercapacitor, offering enhanced safety and durability in extreme temperatures. Whether enduring the heat of summer or the chill of winter, it maintains stable operation. Even when the dash cam is turned off, the supercapacitor allows it to continue recording for an additional 3 to 4 seconds, ensuring no critical detail is lost. Number 3. Azdome M550 Pro Dash Cam. Enhancing road safety and recording precision, this advanced dash cam is designed for those who demand high-performance video capture and reliable surveillance. Featuring an upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi module, it delivers a seamless and ultra-fast data transfer experience, enabling users to download an 800 MB video file in just 10 seconds. Compared to traditional 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, this advanced connectivity ensures smooth playback, instant file access, and effortless sharing of footage, making it an essential companion for drivers who prioritize efficiency and convenience. Equipped with a powerful UHD 4K front camera and an additional 1080p rear and interior setup, this 3-channel dash cam provides comprehensive coverage from all angles. Whether capturing road conditions, monitoring passengers, or recording rear-end incidents, it ensures that no detail is missed. The combination of Novatec 8629G processor and high-performance SC401AI, G2053, and SC223A sensors results in superior image clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Nighttime recording is taken to the next level with advanced IR night vision technology. Whether driving through dimly lit streets or parking in dark areas, this dash cam captures crisp and clear footage with enhanced visibility. Infrared technology ensures that license plates, road signs, and vehicle details remain distinguishable, making it an invaluable tool for nighttime drivers and ride-share operators. Beyond its exceptional recording quality, this device offers 24-hour parking protection with 2 intelligent monitoring modes. The collision detection feature utilizes a built-in G sensor to automatically detect sudden impacts, locking the relevant footage to prevent accidental deletion. Additionally, the time-lapse parking mode enables continuous recording throughout the day, providing ongoing security for parked vehicles without excessive memory consumption. Built-in GPS tracking further enhances the functionality of this dash cam by recording precise location data, speed, and driving routes. Whether reviewing past trips or using footage for legal and insurance purposes, this feature adds an extra layer of reliability to the recorded data. Number 2. Ddpai Z40 Pro Dash Cam. Seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technology with an immersive driving experience, this advanced dash cam goes beyond simple video recording. Featuring both CarPlay and Android Auto systems, it transforms the vehicle into a smart hub, providing effortless access to navigation, calls, music, and voice commands while keeping hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. The intuitive interface ensures compatibility with both iOS and Android devices, offering a seamless connection that enhances convenience and safety for any driver. A standout feature is the ultra-wide 11.3-inch full-view touchscreen, delivering a crystal-clear display that captures crucial road details such as license plates and traffic signs with unmatched precision. Compared to its predecessor, which featured a 10.26-inch screen, this upgraded version offers a significantly larger viewing area, making navigation easier and enhancing overall usability. The WDR technology and automatic brightness adjustment further optimize visibility, ensuring a smooth, glare-free image regardless of lighting conditions. Designed for complete road coverage, the dual lens option allows for simultaneous front and rear camera display, providing a comprehensive view of both driving directions. The real-time streaming mirror ensures that every detail is displayed in high clarity, making reversing, lane changes, and general maneuvering safer and more efficient. Whether capturing scenic drives or acting as an additional safety feature, this advanced video system is an essential tool for modern drivers. Sound quality is another area where this dash cam excels. With a built-in multi-chip audio output system, it seamlessly connects to the car's audio system through multiple options: wireless Bluetooth, FM transmission, or a wired AUX connection. This versatility allows for high-fidelity audio output, ensuring clear voice navigation, hands-free calls, and music playback without any compromise in sound clarity. Beyond its impressive technical features, the sleek and modern design elevates the overall aesthetic of any vehicle's interior. The large display not only enhances functionality but also brings a high-end, futuristic feel to the dashboard. Whether used for navigation, security, or entertainment, this dash cam redefines in-car technology, offering an unparalleled driving experience that blends innovation, safety, and style into one powerful device. Number 1. Ddpai Z50 Dash Cam. Delivering high-definition recording and advanced safety features, this dual dash cam sets a new standard for in-car surveillance. Equipped with a premium Sony IMX415 sensor, a 7-layer optical lens, and a wide f/.8 aperture, it captures exceptionally sharp and detailed 4K footage, ensuring that every moment on the road is recorded with absolute clarity. Whether navigating through bright city streets or dimly lit highways, its innovative night vision technology enhances low-light performance, producing crisp images even in darkness. This combination of cutting-edge hardware and intelligent software maximizes visibility, ensuring crucial details are never lost. Bringing realism to every frame, the exclusive RealCube image technology optimizes color accuracy and brightness, delivering lifelike visuals with remarkable depth and clarity. Road signs, license plates, and surrounding vehicles are captured with precise definition, making this dash cam an invaluable tool for both everyday driving and unexpected incidents. Reliability is a priority, and this device is built to withstand extreme conditions. Unlike traditional lithium-powered dash cams, it is powered by a supercapacitor, allowing it to function securely in temperatures ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. This design not only extends the lifespan of the device but also eliminates risks associated with overheating or battery failure, ensuring consistent performance no matter the environment. One of its most essential safety features is the D-Save emergency storage system, which acts as a safeguard against data loss. If a memory card error is detected, the system automatically switches to NAND flash storage, preventing footage corruption and preserving critical recordings. This intelligent file management system provides peace of mind, ensuring that no important moment is lost due to storage failures. For complete security, the smart parking monitoring system keeps an eye on the vehicle even when unattended. Powered by an advanced IPS power management system and supercapacitor technology, it ensures efficient and reliable recording during parking mode, offering protection against potential incidents such as vandalism or hit and runs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.